Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this vlog. Okay, so this video is going on all three of my channels: Domino 866 Gameplay, Domino 7 Vlog, and the Domino 7 Show channel. Okay. All right. So anyway, today marks the 21st anniversary of of the terrorist attacks when them twin towers collapsed. Or shall I say, when them planes crashed into the twin towers, the World Trade Center. Okay, one one hit the North Tower first with the antenna, and then the next one flew into the middle, like the bottom middle part. You know, all right, and then another plane. Excuse that noise. And then another plane crashed into the Pentagon. Okay, don't forget about that. Hmm. So this this was a sad day. Okay, so I want to know. Comment below where you were during the 9/11 attack. Okay, when that happened in 2001, were you born when that happened? You could comment below. Okay, if you wasn't born when that happened, comment below. Okay, do not comment a negativity. Okay, or you'll be blocked. Okay, because I'm not gonna allow that. Okay. So I want to tell y'all where I was. I was in high school. Okay. All right. So I went to school. I got on a public service bus. All right. And then I made it to school like around 7:30, if I'm not mistaken, or earlier than that, or whatever. And then I was being prepared for my first period class. Okay. So I was in first grade, not first grade, first period. Okay. I was 16 years old when that happened. No, my bad. I was 17. Well, I was 16 going on 17 at the time. Okay. So so I was so as all that though. Let me finish. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. So I was so after that the bell rung. I was going to my second period class. I was going to music class, vocal music or choir class, whatever you want to call it. I would say vocal music. Okay. All right. So I went upstairs on the third floor of John McDonough and stuff like that. Then I got in class. I saw the TV on. I said, them buildings on fire. Well, I was looking. I was wondering what was going on. And then I said, oh, damn, them buildings is on fire. Where the hell is that? You know? I was wondering where it was. Until somebody told me it was in New York City, Lower Manhattan. I'm like, oh my God. When I was looking at that, I wasn't sure if it was here in this city or wherever. Mm. And what I didn't know, there are people jumping out of the building around that time. I noticed that about years later. You know, when I started getting the internet. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so. So anyway, they even had some people that was trying to climb down the building, but lost their grip and fell out. You know, that was a real tragic day. They even had some people hanging out the windows, trying to get some air. You know, so who knows who the people was? Who knows who the people was? There's so many people that died. It was a tragedy. You know what I'm saying? A catastrophe, a tragedy, and all that. Cause I can imagine my family members being out there. You know, I mean the World Trade Center was like a mall. You know what I'm saying? They had a restaurant in that building. They had all kind of activities in there. I was told. I never been there. I never left Louisiana from my childhood all the way to my teenage years until Hurricane Katrina. Okay. So I looked at the video of the World Trade Center in the inside though. At first I thought it was just office buildings, you know. I thought it was just two office buildings, you know. I didn't know they had other activities in that building, you know. But if I wasn't afraid of elevators, I would go there almost every day, you know. Every chance I get, if I was living in New York City, you know. I cannot imagine me. Well, yes, I could imagine myself being there, you know, because I mean, I can imagine myself walking around Manhattan. I'm looking up. I'm saying, "Damn, that plane flying low," and then all of a sudden, the damn plane hit the building. You know, that was very intentionally. You know, that was very intentionally. You know, and you know, my heart goes out to those people that lost loved ones, especially on them planes, not just in the building. You know, on them planes, in the buildings as far as well, and at the Pentagon. You know, I'm like, that is that's the most tragic thing I've ever heard of. You know. Hmm. Yes, indeed, y'all. Okay. So much going on in this world, you know, and it breaks my heart still till this day, and I know it breaks y'all heart till this day as well, you know. So I must say, y'all, whatever goes on, I'm sorry to hear about y'all the tragedy, you know. Okay, I don't know what else I'm saying. Shoot, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I mean. I just can't believe all those innocent people lost their lives. I just can't believe it, you know, after all that, you know. I mean, all them innocent people lost their lives that day, you know. I mean, all those people, you know, especially them firefighters that was going in that building trying to rescue people, you know. I don't know about the police department that lost their lives that day, you know. Did there police officers that lost their lives too? Let me know. If you had any family members that lost their lives, or somebody that you know, a friend, mother, father, cousin, sister, brother, son, daughter, whoever, comment below. Okay, please comment below to let me know who was there. You know, do you know anybody that was working in those buildings? You know anybody that was visiting there or whatever? Do you know anybody that was there? You know, that's all I want to know. Okay, all right, and also World Trade Center 7 collapsed as well. You know, and you know when I looked at that Twin Towers coming down, I'm like, damn, that I was like, what the hell? I'm like, no, what happened? That's all I was saying. I'm like, I mean, I didn't. I mean, when I looked at that, I didn't know two planes hit that the World Trade Center. I had no idea. I thought the buildings was just on fire, you know. And you know, after I learned it was planes, I'd be like, ain't nobody could probably get out of that. You know, they even had people stuck in elevators. You know, they even had people that not only died in in the offices of the building and stuff like that. They even had people that also died in elevators. You know, yep, and that you know, so you get stuck, whatever, no way to get out. You know, and I heard of one person that was stuck in an elevator and stuff like that made it out safely. You know, so I mean, I would have been scared to the whatever the heck I'm trying to say. You know, I mean, I would have been scared out of my life. You know, no telling what was going on outside. You know, I would have never known that. You know, but there are some people that survived from all that rubble. You know, but let me tell y'all something. If I would have been out there, bro, the building would have came down, collapsing and stuff like that, and that pile of smoke that was coming at us, man, let me tell y'all something. I probably would have been standing there like a fool. You know what I'm saying? I would have been standing there like a fool, wondering what the hell is going on and stuff like that. And the police officer would have came and told me, go, 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 get out of here. And I would have been running, and and that and that smoke from that debris would have came at me. There would have been no way I would have outran that. You know, I think I would have suffocated. You know, I would have suffocated. You know, but it's not about me. The hell with me. You know. Well, I love myself though, but I'm just saying the hell with me. You know. Mm-hmm. So anyway, if I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, if I'm saying something offensive, you know. All right, so that's all I got to say. All right.
My heart goes out to the people, the family members that lost people that they know, family, friends, anybody in that tragedy that day. Okay. All right. That's all I got to say for right now. Thank y'all for watching. All right. God bless.